Hello, good evening. My name is Lance Liam, and this is the day 12 Turkey tour adventure, and this is the last night in Istanbul. So we just walk, tignan natin yung mga night market nila, kung ano pa yung pwede mabili, mag last minute shopping. Ayan. So this is our hotel. So, maganda yung hotel natin. Pagbaba mo, nandiyan na lang yung mga shopping. Pero, nagsara na yung iba kasi 10 o'clock na. Ayan. This is our hotel. Okay, thank you so much and have a nice day.